Hey, join me today in the Frugal Fixer shop. I'll show you how I built this sled for these slots with the little tabs in them that everybody hates so much, okay? Hey, stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Get it done. I got the T-bars cut the way we talked about out of this plastic, but you know something? Super glue won't stick to this plastic. So we're going to put a strip of tape on top of them, but we don't want it on the table. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Think it'll work? I ain't never tried this move before. Roll it over on top of itself and make it into double tape, right? Gracious good. Y'all hear my little rooster? He's out there raising cane, man. All right, got that there. Got this here. Now I think I got this back edge here to line up to, but I'm wondering if I should put this fence over here and get it real good and straight on one of these lines to work to. So that'll give me something else to square off of. Let's see where this ends up. Let's see. That's perfect. Let's go right there. So what we're going to do is I got both of these at the edge right here, and I'm going to put the edge of this plywood even with them. I'm just going to set this down and go right down on top of here and get on top of my, I've got a good seam here, and that feels good. What we just did is we put it through to there. Now, take this out and get it out of the way. We'll just stay with this and go this way. What we may have done is just put the sucker on here the wrong way. We did. I just put it on wrong. You know, guys, I was just stressing about, man, I got that on the wrong way and I can't do anything about it, and then I realized I didn't glue it. Yeah, I didn't glue it. Man, that wasn't smart. That was just like, what the heck would I think? Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's do it. This time we can go a little longer. Probably going to shorten it up anyway, I think. Some people might ask, did you measure them? And I say, no, I didn't. You don't drill them out enough. When you run the screws in, you'll make them swell up and they won't fit. Now we got it. Okay. I've got these tapped and ready to go. So we need to get the other pieces ready. which is this side, other side. So we gotta drill it and get it ready. We're gonna drill this side, but we need to make these big enough, these washers to go down in these holes, and that'll give them, that'll give them room to set down in there. So we'll drill them with that, and that'll be below. Should be well below the surface. Yep. I just realized that I didn't turn this over. It still should work, theoretically. Let's just say I'm glad I'm drilling these holes extra deep. I'm gonna go ahead and drill these 9 to 30 seconds through the center to give me a little room for everything to wiggle. Just gotta get all this trash out of these holes first so I can see them. Use this on everything I build now. Got these bolts sticking out just a little bit. I gotta cut them off. No big deal. They'll come right off of there. The grinder will take care of that. Okay, got that. Got to do this. Okay guys, I got the Shopsmith set up in drill press mode. And I'm going to convert it over and get my joiner running. So let's change it over to the joiner right quick, show you how fast that happens. Loosen up the lock, grab hold of the top, get it started, and then hang on. That lock right here locks it into place. Okay, we're there. Bring it up. Put this on. Got the nice, I cut me a nice cut on the bottom right here. Marked it as a bottom going that way so I know where to put it. So I'm going to put it right there like that. And I'm going to move it in a little bit from the edge so I got a little room to make me a place for the stall to stop right here. So I think I'm going to do something like that right there is what my mind is about. So let's get it. Let's put this up on here. Square it up on that. And put it there. Not, but it's pouring rain here. Okay, let that set a few minutes. See if it works. You know, I guess it works. What you think? Just that quick and it's already stuck. Let's put some screws in this thing. Let's put a few screws in this end. I think I'm only going to put about 4. Okay, I started this project. I was going to build a sled for this little saw. And yep, well, guess what? I got a sled for this little saw. It's sitting on the table. It's in the slots. You lead it right in, it goes straight. That's going to give me all my nice straight cuts on this little saw to make it easier to work with and not get myself hurt. So that's the idea, make something simpler to work with. Thank you all for coming in today. I appreciate every one of you, and this is how this thing turned out. And well, y'all know me, I can never leave anything well enough alone. And I got to watching Doug with the Ultimate Workshop guy. I mean, the guy got an unbelievable shop, you have to go see it. But I got to watching his sled, the way he built it. He built one that's actually 2 pieces, and then you could put the thing on it and put it together. Well, guess what? We're gonna cut this one in half and make a bar, put it back together, and well, we're gonna make a 2-part sled out of this thing. That's the next thing coming out of it, because well, you can't just do part of the way. I mean, I seen a better way. I'm gonna use it. So yeah, I'm gonna make another fence to go in front of this one. It can lock it all together, so we can lock it together, or you can cut it apart. Check us on that one. It's coming up soon. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you a lot for coming by. See you next time. And hey, this thing turned out pretty good. Just don't put your fingers between them rib marks, you know. So stay your hands out. No way to cut yourself. Hey, stay safe, be good. God loves you, and so do I. And can't take it with you. Nope, you can't take it with you. Remember that. Later.